you're blurry, honey.
You have to hold down the button.
Which one? This one? Oh my god.
Just a little bit.
You're in focus! Okay, right. Tell us the dilemma.
So, I'm going for dinner with my boss. She like owns the whole company that I work for. She kind of owns my life at the moment.
Sounds like a boss.
So we need talking points. Weather. Yeah, that thunderstorm last week, really crazy. Did you have that in England? Pets. Oh, I know she has a pet dog who's missing a leg, so we can talk about that.
What?
I sent you the video, didn't I?
Oh yes.
I had to like throw itself downstairs because it's missing a leg. I've run out of options. I'm fucked. I don't even know what I'm gonna order.
Guys, so we got loads of comments in our last video about doing a fridge tour. So this is what I'm gonna do for you today. Where do I start? Okay, so actually this is kind of a funny one because Annie and I are actually basically lactose intolerant. Yeah, there's so much fucking cheese in this fridge. Vegan butter, but no one really eats it. We got some jam, some more dairy products because we like to shit ourselves every night. Sweet chili sauce, cheese, oh my god, our trusty best friends, garlic. We got some olives, yeah, okay, here we go, here comes the private school girls in here with our oat nut almond milk and the normal milk. Yeah, we don't really make sense. And then we've got some fruit, we've got some veg, some more oat milk, and then we have 3 bowls of this dirty pasta that we made the other night. It was actually fucking vile. So that's just kind of sitting in there. It's there, and there. I don't know how long they'll be in there for. We got some mango, onion, yeah. Rate the fridge out of 10. Look how healthy we are. This is disgusting. She eats olives with almonds in it. Disgusting, disgusting. Oh, and Ritvik, we still have the chocolates that you sent me. We've nearly eaten them all. They're really yummy. We love you, Ritvik. Shout out Ritvik Jaddu. The best in the business. Hashtag, you know what I mean. Okay guys, that was our fridge. Next we'll do our bin.
Hey! Completed the dinner, guys. Got fed a raw salmon and didn't even cry about it.
Ow. I know. Go! Je vais dormir. Bonne nuit, bitch. Night night. Subscribe.
It's time for Q&A from Ritvik, our new manager. Everyone welcome Ritvik. Oh, it's out of focus again. Guys, we're really working on the quality of our filming. We know it's pretty decent, but we strive for excellence. First question. If you had to shag 2 people with the combined age of 30, what ages would you choose? Very good question.
Oh
Many have asked.
My god. I'm gonna go like 28 and 2.
I would say 15 and 15 because I'm not having sex with anyone below the age of 15. Okay, anyway, next question, really important one. Coke or Pepsi?
I hate both.
Obviously Coke.
If you know I don't like Coke.
He says, can I have a shout out for being your guys' favouriteest and biggest fan ever?
Yeah.
No. Okay, yeah. Where is more fun, Paris or Bristol? Obviously Paris. We miss Bristol a bit though.
We do miss it a bit.
We miss it a lot. Favourite sex position? I like to be sat in church. How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? How much would it chuck?
A lot actually, I think.
How can I be as cool as you? That's gonna have to be a separate video. Can I have your blessing to propose to Lexi? No. Most embarrassing thing you've done, a lot to choose from for you, Max.
I was in France and I went up to this woman thinking she was my mum and I like tugged on her shirt and her like whole shirt came down and her tits came out and I was like, oh my god, this is my mum.
But yeah, we love you, Ritvik. Thanks for being our manager. So here's a fun question for you guys. Our email is bellaclitch@email.com. It's time for you guys to figure out what the meaning is.
Yes,
behind it,
yes.
because it's quite sentimental.
And
to
what
us.
was our original plan for Bella Klitsch? Leave me alone. Seriously, leave me alone.
Look at these views.
Big old bus. Cheers! How do you say it in French?
Salut, I think.
Salut is like, hi.
We've ordered our onion soup. The soup à l'oignon. Focus. Probably
Santé.
wrong. Santé.
Oh,
yeah.
chin chin.
Chin chin. Chin chin. We'll say chin chin. Excuse me, we're trying to film. Dinner is served.
This is très bien.
It's called Team Edward Takes Paris. So the question is, Edward or Jacob?
Yeah.
Twilight vibe.
But are you Team Edward or Team Jacob? This is a serious question.
You should really answer carefully.
Jacob?